So in this video, we're gonna make this glass looking form with the video background. Let's get into it. So also we're gonna use two websites, CSS Glass for the glass effect and the box icons for those little items. I will leave the links in the description, open them up and leave on the side. So I have my project file set up already. I have the video, background video. You can choose any video you want. And let's create the index.html and styles.css. Let's create the boilerplate and close this off. Say glass form, link the style sheet, and let's also link the box icons. Go to the usage, scroll down a little bit and copy this right under here. And do not close this off because we're gonna choose some icons from here. And also you're gonna need this extension called live server to be able to right click and open this HTML on the browser, and we are good to go. So let's start with the HTML, all the HTML we need, and then we go into the styling. We're gonna add the background video later on. So let's start with the wrapper and form action submit, say an h1 login, and we're going to create another div called input box, and inside let's say input text and placeholder username, and right under it we're gonna add a box icon. Let's open it up actually. Let's say user. Let's choose this one. Go to the font here, copy this and place it right under here. So we're going to create another div just like this one, but this one is going to be password. And we're gonna choose a lock icon from here. Let's choose this one right under here. Let's see how's it going. Now that looks pretty ugly, of course. Let's keep going. And next we're going to create the remember forget buttons. I'm gonna create a div for that. Let's say label, and input is going to be, this time it's going to be a checkbox, and inside we're gonna say remember me. Let's see. Yeah, it works. And we're gonna place an anchor tag under it saying forgot password, and that should be it. And also we're going to create a submit button for login, and we're going to create another div for the register button. Let's create an paragraph for that. Don't have an account, and create another anchor tag inside and say register. And I think that's it. It looks good. Let's start to style it. We're gonna start by saying padding 0, margin 0, box sizing border box, and we're going to use the font as Poppins. Okay, so let's keep going with the body. Gonna say display flex, justify content center, align item center, and minimum height is going to be 100 VH. And let's also select the wrapper. It's going to be width 120 pixels. Color, let's make it black at the moment because we don't have any background. Border radius 10 pixel, padding 30 pixel, 40 pixel. And later we're gonna add the glass effect inside here, so we're gonna leave this like that. Let's keep going with the wrapper H1. Say font size, let's make it just a bit bigger, 36 pixels, and text align is going to be center. Let's see, yeah, it's in the center. And let's select that input box as well. Say position relative with 100%, height 50 pixels, and margin is going to be 30 pixel 0. And input box input is going to be with 100%, height 100%, and background will be transparent so that we can see the video behind, and border is going to be none. What else? Outline is going to be none, and border radius 40 pixels. Font size, let's also make this a little big, 16 pixels, and color black. Let's see, yeah, and I think we also need to give it a border as well. Say border 2 pixel solid black. Yeah, just to see what's going on. We're going to change this later on. And padding 20 pixel, 45 pixels, 20, 20. And also input box input, let's change that placeholder to black as well. We're gonna need to change all of these to white later. And let's also style those icons as well. Say input box I, position absolute, right 20 pixel, top 50%, and transform, is it going to be X? I think it's going to be UI. Let's say 50% minus 50%, and font size 20 pixels. So dot wrapper dot remember forget. So let's also choose those remember and forget buttons. Display flex, justify content, space between, font size 14 pixels, and margin is going to be 15, minus 15, 0, and 15. Yeah, that looks okay. Those icons are kinda out of the place, but you're gonna take a look at that later. Let's also remember forgot label input, and accent color is going to be white. No, it's going to be black. And margin right is going to be 3 pixels. And what else? Oh, and also that anchor tag, color black, text decoration none, border bottom 2 pixels solid transparent. And let's also add a hover over effect, border bottom 2 pixels solid white. So let's say dot wrapper dot button, and width 100%, height 45 pixels, background white, border none, outline none, if I can just type properly, border radius 40 pixels, and box shadow, is it 0010? I think. Say RGBA 0, and 0.1 and make the font size 16 pixels, make it gray, and font weight is going to be 600. Yeah, it looks good. It's gonna look better when we set the background. Dot wrapper, and the button hover effect is going to be background color transparent, and color is going to be white, and border 2 pixels solid white as well. And the register, let me check. Oh yeah, the register wrapper dot register link is going to be 14 pixels, text align center, and margin top 20 pixels, not 30, 20 pixels. And margin is going to be 20 pixels, 0 and 15. And let's also style that anchor tag. Color white, text decoration none, font weight 600, and I think there's only one thing left. And oh yeah, the hover effect, I forgot. Register link, PA hover, and text decoration underline. Okay, finally let's add the video. Say background, and we need to add some attributes to there. Let's say autoplay, loop, and muted. And it's not in place, obviously. We're going to place it. So let's say position absolute, width 100%, height 100%, and object fit is going to be cover. Top 0, left 0, and Z index of -1 to push it back. And it still looks so bad because we need to change these things to white real quick. And finally, we're going to add the glass effect. Let's make it a little transparent, high blur, and a little dark. Let's say, don't want too much outline. Let's copy this and paste it inside the wrapper. And there you go. Oh, we have a small problem with those icons. Let me take a look at that real quick. Okay, so it looks like we forgot to put a dot in here to choose that class, and also we forget an P in here. So there you go. Everything works fine. Hover effects work, background works, and this is how you create a glass form with a video background. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.